Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are learning about how you can show up your business on Google Maps. If you are interested, let's get into it. So Google Map has over a billion downloads and it is one of the most popular app, and showing up your business on this will bring a lot of customers as long as you are listed on this. So the most important thing you need to have is your Google account, and I'll suggest you to use your business account. If you don't have one, so you can sign up on Google with your business name. And now we'll move on to the next step. So in this step we are learning how we can set up a page on Google My Business. Setting up a page on Google My Business will help you to display information about your business on Google Maps, but also in the Google back results as well as Google local organic search results. It's a great way to display consistent information across the three areas, and it's easily manageable. We are now on the page of Google My Business. Sign up using your Google account. If your business is open from some time, it may be available on Google Maps. To check in this case, just enter the name of your business in the search box. So now we will enter the name of our business here and see whether it is available on Google Maps or not. So if it's not available, it will take you to the next step automatically. So as all you can see, this business name is not available on the Google Maps. So we'll click on next. Then we'll choose the correct category for your business. Please guys, remember, it is very important for you to choose a perfect category for your business. If let's say for an example, you are having a bakery and you're not listed it properly, so if somebody is searching from a best bakery nearby places, so if you're having a good reviews of your bakery, you're most likely to come up first, and there you can get good customers. You'll be having a good customer base if you're having a perfect category for your business. So don't mess it up here. So I'll choose a category for my business. It's a digital servicing firm, so I'll choose something which is suitable for my business. I'm choosing here marketing agency, and in the next step you have to add your location of your office. So you can mention it here. If you have any online firm, you can mention your website by clicking no, and then you can continue. If you don't have any physical shop or physical office, for my business I have a physical location, so I'm choosing yes. Here I'll be mentioning the street address, city, pin code, state, and all the necessary information which will be available. I can also fix the location on Google Map by dragging the circle near to the location where I want to locate it, and then I'll click on next. So in this step it is asking me whether I serve in which location. So let's say as I have a marketing agency, I can work online as well for any other location. So here I am mentioning India. I have a marketing agency, so I can serve anywhere from one place to another. I don't need to have any another physical shop, so I'm choosing India here. So we'll move on to the next step. In this step, we have to mention all our contact details, like the mobile number of Okay, if you don't have any website, you can click on I don't have a website. So currently we don't have any website. We are doing it on we are actually new on it, so we don't have any website for it. So I'm going to choose I don't have a website, and then I'll click continue. In this step we'll finish everything. Like, so as you all can see, we have finished all the necessary information, and here for verification I'm going to enter a name of my colleague who is going to handle all the back work of the office. So on this address you're going to receive a postcard in which you'll have a verification code, and this on the same address you'll receive it. All you have to do is take the code and you have to just verify it into your Google My Business account. Well, this is all about it, guys. We have successfully completed all the steps here. Now we'll continue with the same thing and see what else we can do here in it. Okay, so in this step you have to mention all your services of your business, what services you are providing from your business, and it will definitely help you to rank up on it. In this step you can also add your business hours when the shop is closed. Like, we can click here and you can showcase it. You can also showcase opening and closing times here, and keeping all this information available on the web will help definitely to your customers to know whether your business is on or off on that day. You can also set your pictures and many more things. You can also add a small description about your business. This will definitely help your customers to realize whether you are a perfect match for what they are looking for or not. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.